Okay, exercise 5.3, fourth one sum we are going to see. Here they have given that two digits numbers are formed using the digit 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 without repetition. Means our condition is to be, there are the two conditions, it should not be repeated and it should be two digit number. मतलब हम लोग उनको टू डिजिट नंबर निकालना है, ये हमारी फर्स्ट कंडीशन है. एंड व्हाट इज द सेकंड वन? दैट द डिजिट्स शुड नॉट बी रिपीटेड. नो, फोर्थ वन सम हियर आई एम राइटिंग 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are the numbers are given and first condition is to be two digits number you have to find out, two digit number. और दूसरा क्या है कि विदाउट रिपीटेशन. तो ये तुमको ध्यान में रखना है, डू नॉट रिपीट इट. अभी फर्स्ट कंडीशन ऑफ द इवेंट, द नंबर फॉर्म इज इवन. सेकेंड कंडीशन, इट शुड बी डिविजिबल बाय 3 एंड थर्ड वन इज टू बी, इट शुड बी ग्रेटर देन 50. तो ए बी सी थ्री इवेंट हम लोगों को फाइंड आउट करने. बट बिफोर दैट वी हैव टू राइट सैंपल स्पेस, दैट इज एस. तो सी, वी कैन नॉट राइट 0, 1 बिकॉज इट इज नॉट अ टू डिजिट नंबर. तो राइट लाइक दिस 10, देन do not write 11, 12. Why? Because in 11 we are repeating the number 1, 1. So 12, then 13, then 14, then 15. Then you can write 20 also here. 20, 21, not 22, but 23, 24, 25. Here 30, 31 you can write 30, 31, 32, 33, but it is repeated, so you should not write. Then 34 and 35. Similarly 40, 41, 42, 43 and 45. You should not write 44. Then 50, 51, 52, 53 and 54. Now here we have to write number of sample space. Therefore number of sample space, number of S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 5s are 25. Therefore number of S is equal to 25. Now by first condition, that is event A. In event A, you have to finding out the even number. Even number are those numbers whose unit place is 2, 4 or 6, like that. But here you have to consider 0, 2, 4 only. That means they are divisible by 2. The event A, even number. So A is equal to, in curly bracket, 10, 12, 14, 20, then 24, then 30, then 32, 34, 40, 42, here 50, 52 and 54. Means how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It means number of A is equal to 30. Now second condition, that is event B. Now see, the number form is divisible by 3. The number which are divisible by 3 means जो number 3 से divide होते हैं, तो हम लोगों को ये जो है फाइंड आउट करना है। इनको प्लस करके भी आप देख सकते हैं, अगर इनकी सम 3 और 3 के डिविजिबल होती है तो ये सब नंबर ये डिविजिबल बाय 3 है। तो इवेंट बी, नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सी इवेंट बी। इन दिस इवेंट बी द कंडीशन इज divisible by 3, divisible by 3. So which number are to be considered here? So b is equal to, in curly bracket, first one 1 plus 2, that is 3, it is divisible by 3, 12, then 15, then 21, then 24, then 30, 3 plus 0, that is 33, then not 30, 42, 4 plus 2, 6, then 4 plus 5, that is 9, 9 can be divisible, then 5 plus 1, that is 6, and here is to be 5 plus 4, that is 9. Means all those numbers are to be divisible by 3. Now 12, after 12, 15, then 21, then you have to write 24, then 30, and 42, then 45, then 51, and 54. Means now count the numbers. How many numbers are there? So number of b is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we are going to see the third one condition. It's very simple. It is in C condition is event C. You can see event C. The condition is greater than 50 numbers, greater than 50. Okay, therefore C is equal to the numbers which are greater than 50, they are to be 51, 52, 53 and 54. You should not consider 50 because 50 is equal to 50 now. Therefore 51, 52, 53 and 54. 51, 52, 53 and 54. Therefore number of C is equal to 4. In this way we finish this sum. Okay, fifth one sum we are going to see. In this sum, see there are the three men. Means you should to write like this: M1, M2, M3, and 2 women. Means W1 and W2. In this way there are 5 people are, and out of these you have to make first condition, that is to be 2 person is to be form a committee. Means in a committee there should be a 2 person. Now here they have given some conditions. By first condition they have given in event A, there must be at least 1 woman member. In second one, 1 man, 1 woman committee, and third one is to be not to be woman member. Now we are going to write down first. That is Sam. Now question number 5. Fifth one sum. There are 3 men and 2 women. It means the men should be indicating with M1, M2 and M3, as well as the women should be right. 2 women are there, then W1 and W2. Out of these 5 peoples, we have to select only 2 people for the committee. This is our condition. Now let's see. 3 men and is equal to, you have to write M1, M2, M3 and 2 women, that is W1 and W2. These are the 5 people. Out of these, you have to make the sample space 2 people's committee. Then M1, W1. Sorry, M1, M2. This is the first committee. M1, M3. Then third one, M1, W1. Then M1, W2. Then you have to consider, suppose M2, M2, M3, M2, W1. Then M2, W2. Then third one person, M3, W1. Then M3, W2. Then W1 and W2. In this way, you will get, here see, we make the group like this, but we make already a M1 and M2 group. Therefore, you should not write M2 while taking M2 as a considering here. M2 and M3 I have considered, but I have not considered M2 and M1. Why? Because already it is mentioned here also. M2 and M1 means the first one already we have written, and therefore we should not write like this M2 and M1 because already it is established the committee. Therefore, तो पहले से ये लिखा हुआ है, इसके लिए ये कमेटी फिर से लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. तो हम लोग को इस तरह से जो है 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 means our number of S is equal to 10. Now, first one condition, event A. In event A, we will see there must be at least one woman number. At least one woman means there may be 2 women also. Therefore, at least one means one or more than one. Therefore, which of the committee will be considered here? See, at least one woman. What we have to write? At least one woman member. At least one. मतलब कम से कम एक वुमन चाहिए या एक से ज्यादा भी रहेगी तो भी चलेगा. तो हम लोगों को ए लिखना है. तो पहले वी विल सिलेक्ट कम से कम एक वुमन किधर है? यहाँ है. कम से कम एक यहाँ है. कम से कम एक यहाँ है. इसके बाद में M2 एंड W. तो W जिधर भी लिखेगा ये सब तुम लोग लिख सकते हैं. सिर्फ जो है कम से कम एक वुमन रहनी चाहिए. सिर्फ ये नंबर नहीं आएंगे, ये कमेटी नहीं आएगी. तो बाकी सब कमेटियां जो है तुम लोगों को लिख सकते हो. तो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 committees are there. Therefore, M1, W1, then M1, W2, then M2, W1, M2, W2, then M3, W1, then M3, W2, then W1 and W2. Means number of A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 should be right. Now event. Now you have to take the event B. Our condition is like this. one man and one woman. It is very simple. It means that in this condition, one man should be there and one woman should be there. Then which are the one man and one woman? Then which are the committee we have to consider here? See, this one first, this one second, this one third, this one fourth and fifth and here. Only W1 and W2 ये तुम्हारा नहीं आएगा. It means there are the 6 numbers. Similarly, B is equal to M1, W1. All those numbers you have to write except this one. It means dot 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 you can write up to M1, M3 and W2. Here you have to write down. Okay. Now in this number of B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Means these are the numbers which I have underlined that you have to write down. Number of 6. Okay. Now event C. In event C, the condition is like this. There should not be a woman. Means there should be only men. There should be men only. Means which are they? The first one, this one, second one, the M1 and M3 and M2 and M3. Means there are only men. So your condition is only men. That is not women. There should not be a woman. Not women. Number. So you have to write only these are the numbers. C is equal to M1, M2, M1, M3 and M2, M3. The total is number of space, number of C is equal to 1, 2, 3. In this way, we have finished the fifth one sum.